Welcome back to the Digital Millionaire Club. Are you a student looking to build your online presence without spending a dime? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning website using the top 10 free AI-powered website builders. Whether you're setting up a portfolio, blog, or personal site, these tools make it easier than ever to get started. No coding, no stress, just simple, user-friendly platforms that let you design like a pro. Let's dive in and turn your digital dreams into reality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks to grow your online empire. Let's get started. 1. Wix Adi, Artificial Design Intelligence. Wix Adi uses AI to design a website based on your preferences. You just answer a few questions, and Wix Adi automatically generates a site tailored to your needs. Pros: extremely easy to use, wide range of design options, and customizable templates. Cons: the free plan includes Wix ads, and the subdomain cannot be customized. Best for students looking for a quick and easy way to create a professional-looking website. 2. Zyro. Zyro offers an AI website builder that generates a site based on your input. It also provides additional AI tools like an AI writer for generating content and an AI heat map for optimizing design. Pros: simple and intuitive interface with additional AI tools for content and design optimization. Cons: limited customization options on the free plan. Best for students who want to build a website quickly with some AI-assisted content creation. 3. Bookmarks Either, Artificial Intelligence Design Assistant. Bookmarks Either creates a website by asking a few questions about your preferences and needs. It generates a complete website in minutes, which you can then customize. Pros: fast and easy website creation with a focus on simplicity. Cons: limited template selection compared to some other platforms. Best for students who need a straightforward, no-fuss website. 4. Gmedo Dolphin. Gmedo's Dolphin AI website builder asks you a few questions about your website's purpose and automatically generates a website that suits your needs. Pros: very easy to use, with a guided setup process and mobile optimization. Cons: limited design flexibility on the free plan. Best for students who want a basic website without getting bogged down in design details. 5. Site 123. Site 123 uses AI to simplify the website creation process. You can create a site in just a few clicks, and the platform focuses on ease of use. Pros: extremely user-friendly, with quick setup and simple customization options. Cons: less flexibility in design compared to other builders. Best for students who prioritize simplicity and speed in website creation. 6. Strikingly. Strikingly AI tools help you build one-page websites that are perfect for portfolios, resumes, or simple personal sites. The platform focuses on creating sleek, mobile-optimized designs. Pros: beautiful, modern designs that are mobile-friendly, with a focus on simplicity. Cons: limited to one-page websites on the free plan. Best for students who need a simple, elegant online presence. 7. Ucraft. Ucraft offers a free website builder that includes AI-powered design assistance. The platform also provides free hosting and a simple drag-and-drop interface. Pros: easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor with free hosting and subdomain. Cons: the free plan is limited in terms of design flexibility and features. Best for students looking for a basic website with an easy-to-use interface. 8. Dura. Dura offers AI tools to help streamline the website creation process, focusing on mobile responsiveness and quick setup. Pros: Excellent mobile optimization with easy-to-use AI tools. Cons: the free plan has limited features and customization options. Best for students who need a mobile-friendly website quickly. 9. Weblium. Webium's AI website builder helps you create a website by choosing and customizing from a large number of pre-designed blocks. Pros: easy to use with a focus on speed and simplicity, and AI assistance in content arrangement. Cons: less flexibility in template design on the free plan. Best for students who want to build a clean, modern site with minimal effort. 10. 8B Website Builder. 8B is a lightweight AI website builder that allows you to create websites easily with a simple interface. It's designed for speed and ease of use, with mobile optimization as a key feature. Pros: very simple and fast, with mobile optimization and a clean interface. Cons: limited in design options and advanced features on the free plan. Best for students who need to create a website quickly and with minimal design complexity. That's it for today's video on the top 10 free AI website builders for students. I hope you found the perfect tool to help you create your own website with ease. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the Digital Millionaire Club for more tips, tutorials, and strategies to help you build and grow your online presence. And remember, every digital empire starts with a single website. Let's build yours together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay creative.